what's going on, everybody? We are here at Rise Matthews Pointe in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is 100 units built in 1987. We acquired this deal last year in July of 2024. We sourced this deal completely off market through a broker relationship, so nobody else saw the deal. We got it at a really good basis, great investment for our investors. As you can see, we've already completely finished all of our brand new three-tone exterior paint. Looks really clean, really helps the curb appeal leasing activity. We've already started on our renovations for some of the amenities. We finished the landscaping. We're finishing up all the signage. So the deal's looking really good, really clean. We've actually been getting rental premiums just by burning off loss to lease and not having to renovate. And so this deal's doing really well, staying very highly occupied. If you'd like to learn about how you can participate in these types of opportunities and set up a call with our team, reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you and talk to you soon. Thank you.